Hey, it's Elon from J&R Marketing. This video is for business owners who want more Google reviews but aren't sure where to start. I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Google review link and, more importantly, how to actually get reviews from real customers without making it weird. Here's the deal. When someone finds your business online, the first thing they look at is your reviews. And if you don't have any, or they're outdated, you're done. People scroll right past. On the flip side, a steady stream of real, positive reviews boosts your visibility on Google, builds trust, and converts searches into buyers. The only reason more businesses don't have more reviews, they make it hard for customers to leave one. So let's fix that. Here's exactly how to get your Google review link. So the first thing we're going to do is go to business.google.com and sign in with the account that manages your Google business profile. Select your business location, and then on the dashboard, you're going to press Ask for Reviews. Copy the link, and then you're done. That's your direct review link. Now, don't overcomplicate this. That link should be easily accessible at all times, in your notes, in your CRM, or wherever. Make sure to start using it right away. Text it to clients after you've completed a job, include it in your email signatures or automated thank you emails, or even put on physical cards you hand out post-service. At J&R, we bake this into our systems, sometimes through automations like text follow-ups, or sometimes printed QR codes on packaging or signage. The method doesn't matter, but consistency does. Another thing is you want to make sure to ask at the right time. Timing is everything. Don't wait. The best moment is to ask right after you deliver the product or service, when the customer is happy and you're top of mind. Another tip is to use QR codes. So Google Business Profile actually provides you with a QR code you can download and put anywhere. Receipts, packaging, counter displays, anywhere. The less friction equals more reviews. You also want to make this a part of your system. Don't just rely on your memory to send reviews when you can. Make sure to build review requests into your process. So for example, if I were a home service business, I would probably automate a follow-up text. And if you're a brick and mortar business, you can put this on your print materials. Another thing to keep in mind is to never offer rewards for reviews. So incentivizing reviews actually violates Google's policies, and you could actually lose your listing, so it's not worth it. Instead, focus on making the experience review-worthy and then ask. And the last tip is to just respond to every review. Most people only respond to negative reviews, but you also want to make sure you're responding to the positive ones as well. When you reply, it shows future customers that you actually care, that you're real, and that you're actually active on the platform. And when you don't reply, it just looks like you don't care. That's it. You now know how to find your Google review link, how to share it, and how to turn it into a predictable flow of trust-building content for your business. If you want more tactical videos like this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.